y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, leave me a comment, and if you're a new subscriber, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Click that notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I make a new video. I'm doing a VR for Krystal Rose, Just Crafting over here. She is having her first challenge giveaway. She is asking for you to decorate a small gift bag of some kind, or make a gift bag and decorate it. Add an ATC with your info on it, or a tag with your info on it. You must have your entry mailed in by October the 30th. I think she'll be picking a first prize, second prize, and a third prize for winners. You need to have your entry in by October the 30th so that she can pick her winner on Halloween. Now you must be a subscriber of hers, so go subscribe to her channel. And I think that's it. So yeah, go subscribe. You can find the video on her channel. A lot of people have already sent in entries. I've got to get mine done. I will share it before I send it out to her, what I've done for her. And so I think that's about it. So I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. See you again soon in the next video.